Though John Deere introduced a pair of actual dozers at ConExpo 2020, the centerpiece of the company's booth at the show was a mini dozer of sorts. What's going on, everyone? I'm Wayne Grayson, and you're watching Equipment World, where each week we bring you new videos on the latest in construction equipment, gear, trucks, and more. In this video, we've got all the details on a new John Deere 333G configuration that makes it the first Deere compact track loader to feature a Dozer Mode control system, and it's going to be the first compact track loader on the market in general to feature a fully integrated 3D machine control system. Let's get into it. Now, if you went to ConExpo this year or you've just seen some of our recent videos, you're probably aware of a bit of a trend that's happening in the heavy equipment industry right now, and that is large compact track loaders that are being built to handle serious dozing tasks. Now, as we detailed in a recent video, at ConExpo 2020, one of Case Construction Equipment's biggest introductions at the show was the DL550B, a large compact track loader built to do small dozing tasks. In fact, it's got an integrated C-frame holding that 6-way dozer blade, and it can be equipped with steel tracks. Now, not to be outdone, Deere also unveiled a blade-toting configuration of its largest CTL at ConExpo 2020 that is also purpose-built for dozing. As we said earlier, the new 333G with SmartGrade configuration is the first compact track loader to feature fully integrated machine control, and it's the first compact machine in general to feature fully integrated machine control from the factory. Now, Deere says this dozer configuration of the 333G is aimed at landscapers and construction contractors who are doing site development, commercial, residential, and road building jobs, and it's going to allow these folks to hit grade in fewer passes and with less rework, and have a machine that is actually much easier to transport than a dozer, while also being able to fit into much tighter places. Now, another nice touch on this 333G with SmartGrade configuration is the addition of a new Dozer Mode control system. And this basically allows the electro-hydraulic joystick controls on the 333G to function like the controls you'd find on a crawler dozer with the push of a button. Plus, with SmartGrade being fully integrated into the body of this machine from the factory, you don't have to worry with the extra cost or care that grade control systems with masts and cables require. And because the 333G is the largest compact track loader that Deere offers, this configuration makes for a very capable 2-in-1 machine. The 12,100-pound vertical lift 333G is powered by a 100 horsepower engine, and it has 3,700 pounds of rated operating capacity, and that allows it to drop that 6-way blade and handle a wide range of loading and other tasks. Between the two dozer configured large CTLs that Deere and Case introduced at ConExpo 2020, there was a lot of buzz generated both on the show floor and online following the show. At the show, people were crawling all over these machines. They were giving them a close look, they were talking to product managers, they were excited to both see and talk about these machines. But what's going to be more interesting to see is the customer response to these machines in terms of sales figures. With that in mind, we want to know what you think of these new compact dozer loaders. Do you have any jobs or applications that would make these compact dozer loaders a good investment for your company? In other words, is the integrated machine control, the dozer control scheme, and the added power and capability both on the dozing and loading side, is that attractive enough to you to invest in a 2-in-1 machine? Or is just having a 6-way dozer blade attachment on hand to attach to the CTL you already have, is that enough for you? Please comment below and let us know what you think. And if you like this video or found the information in it useful in any kind of way, please do us a favor and hit the like button below. It really helps our channel out. And if you want more videos on the latest in construction equipment, gear, trucks, and more, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you're getting up-to-the-minute alerts whenever we drop a new video. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you next time.